Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be upgrading the hard drive inside this with an SSD. Now I've been using this laptop with this SSD, but it's just here for the purpose of the video. Now there's quite a few reasons why you'd want to upgrade, but the main reason is because hard drives are less, they slow down and they've got a higher reputation of breaking and then you lose your data. So, you put one of these in. Now, you've probably already bought one. You need to buy them, obviously. But anyway, they're not very cheap, but that's because hard drives are still around, I guess, and you can pay more, and they expect you to pay more for better high performance and better quality. But anyway, now if you want to mirror your device, I'd recommend you watch this video and try and remember how to put it in, and then go and check a video. Link in the description for a video by EasyTex. He has done a great tutorial, and I'm pretty sure it's free, so that's always nice. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so the tools you should need are maybe just a set of screwdrivers. I've got two of pretty much the same ones just in case, and a very small one. So, anyway, and the equipment you should need is your SSD. That should be about it. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to unplug it. Wherever you're doing it, just get rid of the cable. It's not necessary, but it's better. Then take out the battery. You might have a lock. And they're pretty hard actually, I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, and then hold your power button down for about 5 seconds just to drain the residue out of the capacitors. Not too many people actually do it, but I tend to do it, as you might have seen in my other videos, if you've been following the channel. Right, now take out all your screws and I will speed this up, so make sure to pause if you need to. Oh, and also remember where your screws go. Now, you might find you need to do a bit of hunting and gathering. Now, if I quickly just get a laptop, here's the old Acer. Now, in this Acer, you've got a thing here, that's where the hard drive is. So it'll tend to be about this size, or you might have a Wi-Fi card and an M.2 slot as well. So, yeah, that's what they can also look like, because they're all different. Now, here's your hard drive. Now, it might look green, it all looks different, but here it is. It should look pretty similar enough. I'll turn it around so it's closer to the camera. Okay, now what you want to do is grab hold of this tab, pull it back and out. Now this is a WD Scorpio Blue 320 gig hard drive. Good hard drive for storage, but not for a boot drive. It's a bit slow now. So now I'll just move the laptop out of the way for a second, so you can see what I'm doing on the hard drive. But what you're doing is basically wherever your screws are, could be on the side, could be on the top, you just need to unscrew this bracket. Now if there's no bracket, just take it out and wait until we get these screws undone, because most likely you do have a bracket. Now I'm going to be speeding this up as well. Okay, keep your screws separate and you will be able to take your bracket off. Here's our hard drive. Now, if you have a desktop computer like me, you can use these for storage. They're still fine for that. But if you don't, I guess you can just keep it in case something goes wrong. But anyway, you can put that aside. Now, bring in our SSD. Now, it's a pretty old light-on SSD from our school computers, but it's still pretty fast and good enough for me. Okay, so you just want to line it up and screw it in. I'd recommend on an angle so that you don't have to let it do it like 50% and then all. But I'd recommend you do it on an angle just so it doesn't swivel around when you're trying to do all of the screws. Rightio. Now that your SSD is prepped to go in the computer, just put your stuff aside and bring your computer back in. Now this is for a laptop. If you really want to, I can do it for a desktop, but I decided I didn't want to fiddle around with it. But if you really want it, I can do it, so you know. Now, if your computer is like mine, it will be a bit harder to put it in because the SSDs are thinner than hard drives. But anyway, what you want to do is try and get my head out of the way. You want to line it up with the SATA port, I'm pretty sure they're called. Right, now that you're done, put all your plastic covers over, whatever you've got, and I'll speed this up for you. Right, when you're done with that, get your battery. Pretty simple thing here. And lock it into place if you've got to lock. I don't really know why it's so hard to put in, but anyway. Okay, flip it over. And it's done. So, I've already got Windows 10 installed on this. So, that will boot up straight away. But if you don't know how to install Windows, and if you're not mirroring your computer, basically you can watch another video. There's heaps of them out there, so it should be easy. And it's still free as long as you've got a license of Windows 10, 8 or 7. So you will have to make it from another computer and boot off it, because obviously you can't install Windows in Windows because you don't have Windows. But anyway, we'll just get the AC power and we can show you how fast it is. Now it might do a thing where it comes up with a black screen, but that's just because Intel 3000 graphics aren't supported by Windows 10, but I've found out a way to work around it by putting it to sleep and turning it back on. But we'll see if it does it this time. And we're up. So that's pretty fast. And as you'll see, it logs in straight away. It's not laggy. We can open the Microsoft Store. It's not the greatest thing to open, but here we go. And it'll want to sign in for some reason, even though I'm signed in. But anyway, here we go. So I'll do a comparison for you. But hopefully that helped you out. Alright, we'll put the comparison here, and yeah. Thanks for watching another video. Like and subscribe, and feel free to share it if you found it helpful and think that other people might benefit from it. It's a pretty good idea to upgrade from a hard drive to an SSD because of the performance. But anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.